Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create product descriptions on Perplexity. So just tap on my Google Chrome and officially logged in perplexity.ai and how to create a product description on this. So I will just go back and search for some products for my online store. So this is a woven blanket and I will just go back and open my perplexity.ai and I will just ask it in this bar. I want a full description of this product woven blanket. So I will just tap for search. So here you will see the answer is the Jacquard woven blanket from Prodigy is a premium home accessory designed for both comfort and aesthetic appeal. Here's a detailed overview of its features, materials, and care instruction. So you can in product feature you will just copy it from here. The material made from 100% natural cotton, and above you will see the sizes available. You can just mention your own online store of this blanket sizes. There are three sizes, and the blanket are produced using advanced jacquard loom technology. And if you more see above design options, customer can choose between two specific product codes depending on their design needs. And you will see, so here is the durability and maintenance. It's complete. Describe your product description. So from here you can just copy it and paste it on your website or for online store. So that's it, how to create a complete description product on perplexity.ai. This video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.